Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple Microsoft Word documents into one document. So let's get organized. The first thing you want to do is open up a new blank document, and this is where everything will be stored. We're going to go over now to Insert on the left-hand side, and once you've selected Insert, you're going to go over to the right-hand side and look for Object. Now you have the option for the drop-down menu, and here you will use the text from file option, and you will have the opportunity now to use the file explorer, and you will be able to travel through your device, and you can now select the documents that you need to insert and merge. So of course we're going to start with this one here, and in the order that you select them, this is the order that they will be in. So I'm going to select this one first. I'm going to hold in Control, and then on my keyboard I'm going to then tap on multiple pages, this document, and then I'm going to tap on meeting minutes template. I'm going to tap on that. Now you can see these are the file names over here, and simply you are going to tap on insert, and as you can see, the preparing wood for laser engraving, that was the first file, there it is, and then there is the next file, and then there is the next file, and now these are all three merged. You can go over to File, Save As, choose your location, give it a name, and tap on Save, and you've got some merged, organized documents on Microsoft Word. If this was super helpful, give us a big old thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Cheers.